Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing a pumpkin skull queen Halloween tutorial look. I saw this image on Pinterest. So this is the photo that I saw on Pinterest and I really wanted to recreate it. So I saw that it was linked to a YouTube video and it's by a girl named Juliana Maria. So this is the YouTube video I will be watching and that I will be following along, so I can see how to create it. So hopefully I can do this. This is pretty different for me, so I don't know, I really just want to step outside the box and just do something cool and different and see if I can actually recreate something like that. So I have the Morphe James Charles palette. I have that same Sour Blast palette by Bombshell Cosmetica. Probably using one shade from this Alamod Cosmetics palette because it has like this deep orange that she uses in her palette, and most of these are bright orange. So I don't know, I might be using this. I know it's a little excessive to be using all of them, but I'll definitely show you guys what shadows I will be using because I most likely won't be using all these palettes. I just have them in front of me just in case I need something and I don't have to get up and pick something out. So yeah, my face is already done because in her video she starts off with her full face done, and she's going to start just mapping out the shape of the skull. So I'm just going to be following along to her tutorial. We'll see how this look turns out. She's doing it in the video, she's mapping out the look first, and now we're gonna go ahead and do the eyes. So she's using like a brush like this, is pretty tapered, and she's going to be creating like a triangle shape because the way that the pumpkin is. And this is a Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH33 brush. I'm going to be dipping into the Sour Blast palette, and I'm going to be picking up Melon in the palette, which is the shade right here, because her orange looks a little bit more vibrant. Alright guys, my camera died, so we're just gonna go ahead and finish the look. So far what I did off camera was just finish shading in right here, and I added more shading with the mouth. I'm gonna keep blending this out until it's a lot more smooth. And what I did for like the black and everything, I used the Inglot number 77 eyeliner. And I'm going to be using that as well to fill in the triangles on my eyes. This is the final look. I hope you guys love it. Done one school look, but I hated how I did the teeth. But the way that I did the teeth today was totally different than how I did it before. And I like how I added the little sketch lines all around just to add like something different. But I really loved how the shading came out, how the whole look came out in general, especially adding this on top. I feel like it just made the whole look come together, and I don't know, I just really love it, and I would definitely wear this for Halloween. I will be posting a lot of the tutorials from my Halloween looks on here, so stay tuned for those as well. I hope this tutorial was easy to follow along. That girl Juliana's tutorial was really easy to follow along as well, so that's, I feel like, how I got it so good, because it was just easy to follow what she was doing. I am a visual learner, so it's just seeing it alone helps me do it. I think it could be a little bit better, but you know, for my second time ever doing like a skull and this being like a pumpkin, a little bit different for me, but I really love it. I feel like I did pretty good this time. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and please hit the bell button so you can be notified every single time that I upload a video. That way you don't miss anything that I'm doing for Halloween or any future videos coming up, because I have a lot of plans for my channel. I really want to grow it really big. So I don't know, just stay tuned. That way you guys can see everything. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.